Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You might feel kidney pain or discomfort as a dull, one-sided ache in your upper abdomen, side or back. But pain in these areas is often unrelated to your kidneys. Your kidneys are situated in the back of your abdomen under your lower ribs, one on each side of your spine.
Take our lead.
It was thought that kidney cells didn't reproduce much once the organ was fully formed, but new research shows that the kidneys are regenerating and repairing themselves throughout life. Contrary to long-held beliefs, a new study shows that kidneys have the capacity to regenerate themselves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Symptoms of a kidney infection often come on within a few hours. You can feel feverish, shivery, sick and have a pain in your back or side. In addition to feeling unwell like this, you may also have symptoms of a urinary tract infection (UTI), such as cystitis.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.